Okay, hang on, precious. Here we go. Okay, precious, don't you worry. This one's Italian chicken. Italian chicken. Okay, we're going to put it all in the bowl with the chicken. We've got 1 teaspoon of thyme. We have 1 teaspoon of oregano. We have 2 tablespoons of basil, dry basil, so it looks bigger. So that's fresh basil, so there's more. Precious rosemary, 1/2 teaspoons of rosemary, 2 cloves of garlic, and 4 tablespoons of parsley. Precious. Salt and pepper, a little bit of salt and pepper. Precious. And about 5 sliced olives. Like olives? Hate them. So put that in with the chicken. Olive oil. Got about 1/2 cup of water just to help it all cook down. Mix it all in. Precious. Stop chewing the beads. Darling. Here, do you like basil? And okay, put it all in the pan. Get it pretty hot and cook it. And that's it. And I'll show you after what it looks like. Italian chicken. Like Italian chicken? Yum.